Billions of dollars are being wiped out this morning thanks to a C-suite shakeup. Is it a buy the dip moment or an opportunity to hit the escape hatch? Well, let's take a look. Shares of the Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba are falling roughly between 4 to 5% today. The big earthquake, CEO Daniel Zhang is stepping down. My take, who cares? Okay, CEOs come and go, and I don't put too much stake in who's at the helm. As long as it's a well-run company, it's going to survive no matter what. But what I will say is now's a good time to take profits on Alibaba, regardless of who's driving the ship. You see, I've covered Chinese and South Asian stocks for many, many, many years. I've even scored gains of more than 2,700% on some of these. The secret is just like companies in the US or we have in Europe, there's a pattern to how Chinese stocks trade. Now, for 2023, Chinese tech sector has really lagged behind the NASDAQ. The Hang Seng is negative for the year. And after today's move, shares of Alibaba are flat essentially year to date. But here's the deal. All right, we're going to take a look at this table right here. This is my monthly probability matrix that I make of all companies. And what we see is June is historically one of the best months of the year for Alibaba shares. After this morning's pullback, they're still up almost 11.5% this month, this year in June. And that's the fifth consecutive June the Chinese e-commerce company shares have surged during this month. Plus, if we take a look at this table right here, we see that it's ended. Shares of Alibaba have ended the month of June green 6 of the last 7, with 4 of those for gains of more than 11.5%. All right. But look at what's ahead. We have July and then September, 2 of the worst months of the year for Alibaba. And when we look at this chart, what we see is we've got a tough couple of months coming ahead. So this is always a good point each year to fade out of Alibaba shares, right? You get that huge, massive run up in June, and then we see these pullbacks over the next couple of months. But keep in mind, you want to swing back around to Alibaba shares at the end of September or in early October, as we want to be positioned with the company for the largest online shopping day in the world, Singles Day, which takes place in November. So keep that in your back pocket and root for shares to continue to dip lower from where they're at today. Well, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist for Money Map Press. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Money Morning Live. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any vital investing information from myself or any of our other strategists that we share here each and every day. Until next time.